Hello, my dear viewers. Mic check. Please let me know if you can hear me properly. I mean, if somebody's there in the room. Okay, since this is the first day after a long time, I think nobody's here. But anyways, this is the Dukascopy not webinar now. We are calling it Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Tuesday, 16th of January, 2024. So this is my first webinar in this year. I was on vacation. Those who are new here and watching the retelecast, maybe they will be thinking that okay, I am the community member, or maybe I am even the employee of Dukascopy. But no, I am not an employee of Dukascopy Bank. But yes, I am the member of the community from a long time. And therefore, since I am not their employee, all the opinions or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they're of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukascopy Bank. So what are we going to do here? Are we going to trade Forex? Actually, the name of the webinar is Forex Trading, but it is not Forex Trading. It is to find out the key levels for all the major pairs and also for a few pairs from the side of our viewers if they have any live request. So since this is the first day, I am not expecting much of a participation, but still I'll go through the levels that are of importance in the coming time, and you may have to keep an eye on those levels. So without further ado, let us go to the charts. But I'm bound to tell you the risk disclaimer first. So please let's go through the risk disclaimer. All right, guys. So let's go to the J4X. Now this is disclaimer and this is J4X. But why it is so? Can we do something about it? We don't have to show everything. So what we're gonna do is we will do something with this one. Okay, here. Okay. We just this, yes. So we only need to see tools. And what about this one? This one also we need to do. Okay, so I think this is sufficient. So we need this much of view, and I hope everything is visible because we are on 1080 pixels. So that at any point of time, if you find that the quality is not good, or if there is any other issue, please let me know, and I will try my level best to do the streams in a better way. All right. So first things first, we are going to see what is happening in the US dollar. I'm only going to share the two levels that are very important in this week or the coming week. Okay, so let's go. This is the monthly chart of dollar index, and we have marked two important levels, that is 99.24, which was there in the month of July last year, and also this high around 107.07. These are the two monthly high levels, and this particular month where we are trading right now is an inside bar, that is the high and low of previous month has not been taken out. If we switch to the weekly, you will see that something is building up here on the upside, but the problem here is that there is a swing high here. Now you see some people don't consider this as a swing high, but I know this is a swing high, so we will mark this level. This is an important level for us. Okay, so we have marked this. From the weekly point of view, this is an important level, and from weekly we can see that the market is a downtrending market, although right now on the daily the price is going up. Okay, And here also notice that the price was downtrending here, then it made a high here. It has not gone through this. So if we go to the back side, we will see that this market is in an uptrend. This dollar index is in an uptrend, and this was just a pullback. So what we can do is we can draw a channel, falling channel, and now that uptrend. Okay, now if we go to monthly, what is there in the monthly? Uptrend, boom boom. Okay, this low is not taken out, so this is essentially an uptrend. This is consolidation, and now on the weekly it seems like that this consolidation is getting over. So if the consolidation is getting over, what is the next target? Now this close with a good volume, this weekly close with a good volume will open up the way for 104.29. Right now also it is good, but if we switch to the daily, I think this will mean a lot because it opened up higher, it is going strong. So 104.29 I think is exposed because the volumes on this candle are already high. We still have 4 hours and 40 minutes for this candle to close. This high on the daily is taken out, thereafter there was a pullback, and now okay, so from the daily point of view, if we have to, what happened? No. From the daily point of view, this low is now important because this is the low after the price made this high. Okay, and this high was important. So now we have these important levels, guys. 103.84, I don't know from where it is coming. So 104.29 on the upside is the resistance. 101.63 is a support from the daily point of view. Okay, this is dollar index. Let's go to the euro. I have created something now. Since that dollar index is in an uptrend, similarly euro is in a downtrend, and we just noticed that in the daily it broke through this low here, and thereafter we were expecting a lower high to be formed, which has just formed. If we remove this Fibonacci, which I had drawn for creating a short in this one, so now this is a valid high. 1.10002 is a valid high, and we are looking for the next low, which is around 1.0724. so this is now our target on the downside, guys. Okay, so what we can do, actually we can create a channel, or we cannot even create a channel, but channels are cool. Okay, so I think price will move now like this for some time, like this maybe. Okay, then eventually maybe it can go through this and continue down. So this is what my expectation is. For euro, I think important levels on the upside are 1.100, and on the downside it is 1.0724, which eventually it will take in a few days, I think. The next I want to check is the cable, that is GBP USD. And in the case of GBP USD also, you can actually make out that there is some head and shoulder type of pattern forming, although this head is not that much higher, but still it is higher, and a head and shoulder pattern is forming here. But let's not jump onto conclusions based on the daily chart. We will go to the monthly, and then we will do a top-down analysis. What do you say? So this is the monthly chart, and in the monthly, the price is making lower highs and lower lows. So we are expecting a lower low here. Yes, we are expecting a lower low. Now the problem is that we are expecting a lower low, but here the market was going high. So what is happening now? Let's go to the weekly and check it out. Okay. In the monthly, we are expecting a downside. That is for sure. In the weekly also, it seems that the downside has happened, and now we are on the verge of making a lower high and thereafter a lower low. So in that case, I think I will remove this and I will plant a high here, shows previous high, and also I will plan this low. So I think this low is on the verge of break, or if this is really a downside down move, then this low will definitely be taken out, and the next low that we will be targeting will be this one. Thereafter it will be this one, but we go to daily and check out whether it is true or not. So on the daily we notice that the price is making higher high and higher low here. Okay, and here it looks like something different has happened. So you see, if you see carefully, that this low has been taken out by this candle, although with very small margin. We can say that the buyers and the sellers were equally aggressive here, but still the sellers were able to break these lows, both of these lows, for some time on that day. Now if this low is taken out, we are expecting a lower high and a lower low. This is now on the daily. Is it in line with the weekly? Yes, it is in line with the weekly, because weekly just broke this low. So yes. And is it in line with the monthly? Wow, it is also in line with the monthly. So we have a clear sell. I will not say now we have clear sell. Actually, we should, because we are very close to the support. So I think sell order at this low, I think at the break of this particular low will be good, and our stop loss will be the same level, and the target will be downside this one. Where is that level? This one. Yeah, this will be our first target, then this will be our second target, this will be our third. These are the targets on the daily. But if you see weekly target, this is the one 1.2037, because this is also a breakdown on the weekly in that case. Then it is also a breakdown on the monthly. So we have 1.2037 as the ultimate target on the weekly, but from here the daily targets will start, and the stop loss will be around here 1.263 2612 area only. It's that simple, right? And also I think this RSI is pointing to the downward direction, although right now it is a hidden bullish divergence. But once we close a day below this previous lows, we will be sure that the downtrend has begun. Let's check the other pairs against the US dollar, say Australian dollar. Okay, here also we can see things are getting a little scary for the all other pairs against the US dollar. It is so US dollar is getting stronger day by day. So this is the monthly, guys. The price is going down, it made a high, low, high, low, high. So here is a consolidation on the monthly, although the price level is supposed to go down only because the price is going down. But I will say this level here, this is a strong support, and this is a resistance between which the price is hovering right now. And when I go to weekly, I know that I'm looking for selling entry or selling opportunity. The price on the weekly is going down, down, down. Here it tried to go up, and still at least on the weekly it is up, I will say. Yeah, and these are the important levels on the weekly. This one. So when I go to daily, I see that the price was making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, here the price made this swing and then made high, then this swing was taken out, and then the price started shooting down. So yes, the first target for us will be now 0.6526, thereafter this one 0.6339, and thereafter this one 0.6270. So this is what I think is the fate. Now where is the resistance? Well, I think this must be our resistance, 0.6735. We just need to see which came first, high or low in this case. So we can switch to the 4-hour. Whatever came later. Okay, 4-hour is not able to tell us. 1 hour. 1 hour is able to tell us. So yes, this is a valid high here. This one is a valid high. All right, guys. So this is how it is working as of now. So for Australian dollar, we have small resistance around 0.6748 and a strong support in the area of 0.6526. Let's check about the Kiwi. Guys, if you have any questions at any point of time, you can let me know in the chat box that is provided to you this live stream. At any point of time, you can ask your questions if you have any. I think this is on the similar lines. Week monthly is between 0.6538 to 0.5512. The bias is bullish here. Why the bias is bullish? Why? No, the bias is bearish only, guys, because in the downside, these highs have to be taken out, although these highs were also important, but the problem is that after making this low, the price made this high, and between this low and this low, this is the relevant high, so this high need to be broken, which I think was never broken. So since this was never broken, so still this is a downtrend, and this one is just a consolidation, and we are expecting a down move. Even I think this is not the support, this is the support. 0.5470 is the support. Below that, we are expecting a move now, and if that can happen, I think the price can go back towards 0.4896, from where it can go higher. But this is the monthly, so it may take a lot of months to reach there. So let's check what is happening on the weekly. Well, weekly is in an uptrend for sure. This is the recent high, this is the recent low. At least we should mark these highs and lows, and this also is an important level. So let's go to the daily. Yeah, all the daily price was making high highs and high lows. Now it has started making lower highs and lower lows. But I'll say 0.6084 is an important level, which will tell us whether the price is going to go down or not. Maybe it can reverse from here. So right now I will not be shorting this price. At the higher prices I may have, but right now it is not recommended. Below 0.6084 we can look for initiating a position when the price shifts like this, and at this retest, we can open some position if we want to, right? So now 0.6370 is the resistance for the New Zealand dollar, 0.6084 is the support for us. We have USD CHF. The Swiss franc is getting stronger. No. We are supposed to check New Zealand dollar here, and thereafter we are supposed to open USD CHF here. So USD CHF, okay, like this. So when I go to USD CHF and I check the monthly chart, what do I see? Dollar was going down against the franc for most of the time actually. Alright, so here it seems like the monthly breakdown has happened, because this was a cool support, for very good support for the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and now the price has been trading below that for the last month and of this month. When you go to, okay, first I will draw my monthly levels, initial and the final, and then I will go to weekly. This is in a downtrend right now. It is a consolidation, it seems. Weekly is also downtrend. Levels are marked. This daily seems like today the daily has broken this resistance today. And on the daily now, the next resistance is somewhere here and here. 0.8712 area is the resistance. The price is rising higher with the higher volumes, so I'm expecting the price to rise at least towards 0.8712, from where I think it may get rejected, or maybe it can continue, but the price has to go beyond this for us to be sure that the market is buying, or maybe above 0.8821. Right now I'm not buying this market because this market is in a downtrend on the monthly, and when I switch to monthly, which the lows that the price has taken out, and also this high 0.8821 till 0.8821, I'm not buying this market at least. Okay, and also if you notice that on the 1 day, if you draw a channel by joining these highs, you will find out that this price, even if it goes to 0.8712 area here, it can find some resistance in the coming days, which may push the prices down. Or in another case, you can also draw a channel, which is by joining the lows, this high, that when the price breaks below this, like this, you get an opportunity to go short here again, the target of 0.8333, right? So this is what I'm expecting. So let us see how the things unfold. But right now, support for you is 0.8333, and the immediate resistance is 0.8699. What I am expecting the price to at least reach towards 0.8821, and this falling channel will definitely be providing resistance to the price in the coming time. All right, friends, monthly data of the USD CAD is here. We have highs here, we have lows. These are called equilibrium highs and lows. These are made by the policymakers. But before that, we had lows around 0.9059 when the US dollar was cheaper than the Canadian. But nowadays, US dollar is getting stronger and stronger. So I think this was a range for a few years, like from 2015, December 2015 till now. I think now it is on the verge of a breakout to the upside. I kind of just have this feeling because after this breakout candle here, the price is trying to take support and make what you call a rectangle. Yes, here this is trying to make a rectangle here. Once it breaks out, I think it will go to 1.4669, beyond which it will have another range, I think, on the higher side. So, but that is not the thing that we want to discuss right now. This is the monthly chart, guys, and this is the monthly chart, and on the monthly it looks like the price is in an uptrend after making this high low structure. No, it is a downtrend. The price failed to reach higher than this high, but was able to breach this low. So yes, it is a downtrend, guys. On the monthly, it's a downtrend, and this is an important level. This is also an important level. Let's switch to the weekly. So on the weekly, the price went higher here, but thereafter it broke through this important low, and now I think it is okay, this was an important high. So go to the daily again. So I think this high for 1.3620 area is an important area for us to keep an eye on. Maybe that will provide a resistance again when the price approaches that area. So 1.3620 is the resistance on the upside. This is a dynamic resistance by the channel. You can actually remove this if you want. But ultimate resistance, I think 1.3620. Below that, anywhere the price can reverse to the downside. If you're not sure when to open a short position here, you should be looking for a short position. You can track this rising channel on the daily. When it breaks to the downside, you can I think look for opening a short position. Also notice that here there is a hidden bearish divergence from this point of view, that this high has not been taken out by this present high, whereas this high here has been taken out by RSI. So RSI has made a higher high, Price has not made a higher high, so I think this is a reason for price to reverse from here. So yes, this is what is called hidden bearish divergence. You can Google it if you want to. Before 1.3620 comes, I think the price will topple down. We call it toppling like this, maybe towards this area. This is what I'm expecting. So 1.3093 area, actually the lows of this here 1.3177 area is what I'm expecting on this chart. On the upside, we have resistance 1.3620, support is 1.2380 for the USD CAD. What is left, guys? We have missed something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There should be one more pair. USD JPY. Okay. USD JPY. Let's go. Japanese yen. All right, monthly chart of the USD JPY. Well, we are almost at the equilibrium. That is called equilibrium. Okay. Right. I think the price is not able to sustain above 147.65. So, anyways, if it sustains, then the next level will be 159. Later on, it will be 165. That's it. So I think now the US dollar is increasing at least this month, and the price is in an uptrend or no. We have to check out from the high of this candle. This is 151.95, and the high of this candle is 151.74, 151.91. So this is a lower high. The price made a higher high, a lower high. So this is a consolidation. The price can go down. Yes. So from here, the prices can go down. Let's go to the weekly. Yes, the price has gone up, but I'm not expecting it to keep going up. That's the problem now. Because on the monthly, it is on downtrend. This is on the weekly. It is in an uptrend. That this uptrend will be taken out only if the price breaks I think below this 137.2. so in the weekly also it is in an uptrend. If I consider this as the low and this as low, then okay, the downtrend has started, but for that we have to check the dailies. Yeah, so the dailies were making like higher highs and higher lows, and these are taken out, then it starts making lower highs. Now again it is making higher highs, higher lows, but again I'm expecting 147.65 to act as a good resistance, and the prices may be pushed down. But look at the volumes at this present candle with these green. So there may be a lot of buying for some reason. There may be some news or some tsunami. I don't know what has happened in the Japan. But yes, US dollar is getting strong against the Japanese yen. 147.65 area may push the prices down. If you see anything like this happening, like this, boom, then look for a retest and then target 137.24 with the daily chart. So right now, guys, so 147.65 for you is the resistance, all right, and 151.95 is the next resistance. Whereas if you are looking for the support from the daily, I think this oh sorry, I think this low should provide you support 140.25. But yes, ultimate target is 137.24. Well, that's all, guys, from my side for today. Today was just a beginning, and tomorrow I am expecting my more and more friends to join so that we can have a more interactive session tomorrow. Today it is just a monologue, only I am talking. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels now that are of interest in the coming time, like this week. My urge is that just remember to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, or less than 1% actually, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. This is called risk to reward ratio. You can Google it more if you want to understand this completely, but this is very, very important. I cannot stress it more in this awarded time, but yes, this is very important, and you have to understand what is risk to reward ratio. with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time to watch this video. Bye bye and take care, and see you tomorrow at 1700 GMT.